Oftentimes the things we forge are a reflection of the dyes we forged in between, but the real magic starts when the shapes you forge in the iron do not come from the dyes. Dog boning is a good introduction to this. A good place to start with the technique is cold forging. This method helps you get a decent feel for dog boning. You start by tilting the material over just a bit and making a light pass down each side. The harder you hit the material, the better the dyes will bite into it, but the worse the reaction is if you lose your balance and the piece rolls over. You have to keep the angle and the level of power used consistent to keep consistent results. This is a great cold texture and can really set off flat bar in a design. Now by pushing this technique a bit further while the metal is hot, you continue to upset either side of the bar, slowly closing the gap until there is almost nothing left. But your consistency, or lack thereof, will reflect in the trough of the dog bone. The smoother the better to start with, but it won't take you long to start exploiting the many cool shapes and patterns you can get once you have a grasp of what you can do. Last, simply cutting in an egg and working that edge back and forth, you can achieve a very interesting detail that can be repeated over again and in varying degrees, and even overlap for new effects. So try this technique in tapers, overlaps, twists, and scrolls. It can be a bit tricky, and you only get one shot at collapsing that center the way you want it, but it yields a truly unique result and can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Thanks, and subscribe to keep up with what is new with Blue.